Good morning, my dear students. Today we can discuss population. Learning objectives of population. Understand the meaning of population, understand variation of population explosions, knowing the birth and death rate, comparison of population density, identify the factors depends on population, summarize the solutions of population growth. So these are some of the objectives of population and population density. Population. Population refers to a group of organisms of the same kind or species living in the same place at the same time. A population may increase or decrease due to birth, death, immigration and migration. Population growth. A rapid increase in population is due to the medical advances and the massive increases in agricultural productivity made possible by Green Revolution. In demographics, population growth rate is the rate at which the number of individuals in a population increases in a given time period as a fraction of the initial population. Birth rate, death rate. Birth rate is also known as natality rate, is the rate at which new individuals are added to a particular population by reproduction one with another. It is expressed in number of births per thousand individuals of a population per year. Death rate is also known as mortality rate, at which the individuals die or get death. It is the opposite of natality rate. It is expressed in number of death per thousand individuals of a people population per year. Birth rate. Birth rate we can calculate using this formula. Birth rate is equal to number of birth within a year divided by total population within a year into 1000. We are calculating either birth rate or death rate per 1000 people. Using some number we can get some percentage of birth rate and death rate. So same like birth rate, so death rate also we are calculating, so using this formula. What are the factors affecting population density? Some of the factors like birth rate or natality rate, death rate or mortality rate, age distribution in area, immigration, resources, natural calamities. We know that birth rate means number of birth per 1000 people. Death rate, number of death or die per 1000 people. Age distribution in area. So different type of age peoples present in particular area, either district wise or state wise or country wise. Immigration. Some of the peoples is migrated one place to another place permanently. So in that location population increases. Immigration. The peoples is migrated one place to another place permanently. It is due to employment or hospitalization or some other things. That is called e-migration. Resources. Different type of resources is there in our environment. We are consuming different type of resources. Natural calamities. Climate means we know that. So like a different type of consumption or pollutions, it changes climate. We can get different type of natural disaster. So that is called natural calamities. Characteristics of population growth. Exponential growth, doubling time, infant mortality rate, total fertility rate, male female ratio. Exponential growth. Last 30 to 50 years the population or population density, it increases exponential like a 10 power 2, 10 power 3 like. Doubling time means the time is required double the population density or double the population. Infant mortality rate. So the infants die less than 1 year, that is called infant mortality rate. Total fertility rate. So total fertility means the number of fertility. Male female ratio. So male female ratio, so in our India 940 female per 1000 male. In China 140 male out of 100, only 100 girls are females. So the male female ratio is mismatching. So that is also population growth difficulties or characteristics. This is the demographic of India, so like a population density in the global wide. China occupies like a 20 to 27% of population density in worldwide. India occupies 17 to 18 percentage. So these are some of the other percentage of other nations. Population distribution by density. So in our India, different type of states is there, especially Uttar Pradesh is having more population density. Population distribution in India shows a wide variation. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state in India with a population of more than 166 million. 19 states of India have a population of over 10 million. On the other hand, there are 8 states and union territories in the country that have a population less than 1 million. Almost half of India's population lives in 5 states, namely Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal, and Andhra Pradesh. Population growth in India. So these are some of the statistics showing India's population growth. India's population growth rate has declared to 17.64% in the decade 2001 to 2011. So the slowest rate of growth this past century according to the first results of census 2011 put out by the Registrar General of Census. So in our India, each 10-year population calculations they are taking population growth by country. So different type of countries, population density or population percentage. So it is a year predictor in the table. So this is a more populated or a more crowded area showing more population density. So this is more population, it makes more traffic, moving or migration is very difficult. So what are the factors that affect the population growth? The birth rate exceeds the death rate. The population naturally increases if the number of births is greater than the number of births at any given of time, or if the death rate is slower than the birth rate. The development in science and technology has made the life expectancy of longer. With the help of the department science, so different type of technology or medicinal sources or pills is available. So the birth rate is increases or death rate is decreases. Sorry. Some beliefs and practices of the family also influences the population growth. Some nations believe that children are a blessing to the family and that more children mean more blessings. The rural areas where the main livelihood is agricultural, so have children means more hands to help in tilling the field, harvesting and engaging in other means of livelihood. Somewhere family wise or cultural wise, they are getting more birth because economic status increases or some other working agricultural or field work or something. So they are using these children for economical status or something. So this is a picture showing in the agricultural field doing some work. Problems on population growth. Food shortage. We know that more population, so we can suffer from food source because the consumption is more, unavailability of food sources it create. So this is the picture showing the children's they are not having food. Water shortage. So more people is in a population, they consume more water. So the fresh water or pure water, the level is decreases. Housing problem. So the peoples is not having, everyone is a good house. There are only a few family who own their houses and lots. At times in crowded areas, people build their houses along the railroads, river banks and even along sidewalks. These people are called informal settlers. So this is showing some pictures for water problem, and they are living in nearby river in Chennai. I think this is the Kuam river. Unemployment. More population, more competition is there. Everyone is studying, everyone getting good marks and good grade, but the employment is problem because more population, more competence it creates. Peace and order. Due to big population, unemployment, hunger, homelessness, sickness, and fractions, many people restart to illegal and criminal acts just to survive. This leads to a rise in criminality that endangers the peace and security of the country. Health problem. Malnutrition due to lack of food and food nutrients. Unsanitary surroundings due to indiscriminate garbage disposal, poor hygiene and poor health, presence of disease like bronchitis among babies, diarrhea and tuberculosis. Garbage problem. When there are many people so producing garbages, because we are going somewhere, we are getting water in a bottle, or we are buying water through bottle, or different type of like polythene papers we are using, we are throwing everywhere. So that is the problem. Pollution. Different type of pollutions is created from more population, more populated area. In crowded communities, many people are prone to polluted air, contaminated water, and noisy environment. As the population grows, more industries and factories are built. These give off harmful gases and chemical like nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, and different type of pollutants like lead, chromium, etc. Water is also polluted in crowded communities. Education. So education, more population, most of the peoples not educating in government schools. So, some peoples only is government, other peoples is private schools. So this is also problematic for poor families getting education, good education. Solutions to problems on population growth. Development programs to increase food production, provide a potable water supply, construct more road and bridges, promoting health and wellness of the people by building more hospitals, health clinics, and render effective health services. The government has carried out housing programs on low cost housing in cooperation with the National Housing Authority to protect our environment. The government has initiated environmental protection projects like passing rehabilitation program and Harborne Foundation program. Congress has passed laws on environmental care and protection such as Philippine Clean Water Act and the Clean Air Act. So these are some of the solutions of population growth. So some of the references I given here, so students go through this reference, get more details of population or population growth or population density or population explosion. Thank you everyone.